Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Warrior channel. Did you know about the recent technological developments launched by NASA? Revolutionary X-59 supersonic aircraft gets a new coat for future missions. NASA's highly anticipated X-59 supersonic aircraft, designed to mitigate the impact of sonic booms, has finally been launched. This groundbreaking project aims to revolutionize the future of supersonic air travel by addressing one of its major drawbacks: the disruptive sonic booms that accompany faster-than-sound flights. The X-59, also known as the quiet supersonic technology, the speed of sound, also known as Mach 1, is the speed at which sound waves travel through the air, marks a significant milestone in NASA's ongoing efforts to develop quieter and more environmentally friendly supersonic aircraft. The X-59's ability to fly at supersonic speeds while generating a softer and less disruptive sonic boom has the potential to pave the way for the revival of commercial supersonic travel. The successful launch of the X-59 represents a crucial step forward in proving the feasibility and safety of low-boom supersonic flight. The X-59's maiden flight is a testament to NASA's commitment to pushing the boundaries of aeronautical innovation. The agency's relentless pursuit of advancements in aviation technology continues to inspire the aerospace industry and spark interest in the next generation of engineers, scientists, and aviation enthusiasts. As the X-59 embarks on its test flights, researchers and engineers are closely monitoring its performance, collecting valuable data that will contribute to refining the aircraft's design and addressing any unforeseen challenges. This iterative testing and improvement process is crucial for ensuring the success and safety of future supersonic air travel. The successful launch of the X-59 has generated excitement not only within the aerospace community, but also among the general public. The prospect of quieter supersonic flights has the potential to transform the way we think about long-distance travel, making it more accessible and less disruptive to communities near airports. NASA's X-59 is a collaborative effort, with various aerospace companies contributing their expertise to the project. NASA's commitment to environmental sustainability is evident in the X-59 project, as it seeks to minimize the environmental impact of supersonic flights. As the X-59 undergoes rigorous testing and evaluation, the data collected will contribute to the development of future regulations governing supersonic flight. The successful launch of the X-59 is a testament to human ingenuity and the continuous pursuit of innovation in aerospace engineering. This innovative aircraft is equipped with cutting-edge technologies, including a uniquely shaped fuselage designed to produce a quieter sonic signature. This achievement reinforces the idea that through collaborative efforts, scientific exploration, and technological advancements, humanity can overcome challenges and push the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of air travel. Thanks for watching. See you the next videos.